So guys, race essential with me. So we have, because tomorrow we are running 21 kilometers for SM run. And then we have our midjas guys from TikTok. So we have panyo kay kanang ano ta kanang unsa ni singutong taso magdala jud ta og panyo. The next one is our belt bag nako guys. Actually nako isa but kanang ganahan ko ani kay kanang ano pero di lang ko magdala ani kwarta kay day matagak ang kwarta guys, matagak ang kwarta. And then after we have our Almond watch. This is yeah. Actually this is not a sponsored. This is just from my pocket. Chares. So we have our short from TikTok shop again. Tanang brands sa akong mga gamit kay from TikTok shop. Di magbuot kay paborito. Laishu.
Sa basket.
Every time I erase kani our next kanang atong unsa gitawag ani Axel? Kanang basta headset, ha?
Earpiece.
Unsa earpiece bongbuang
May
kanira?
earpiece bitaw chicks no.
No, oy, daily kani siya pang runs. And then our shoes. This is from TikTok shop again from Camel Crown. Yeah, the best shoes in the world. Chares. Ang ano atong gamiton ang Camel Crown. Unsa kini siya kanang cloud something. Cloud. Black color. And then our race shirt and the race beef. Oh. This is the race shirt of SM to SM Run 2026. I hope nga kita makadaog sa BYD. I hoping. Manifesting, di ba? Word is powerful. Thank you, Lord. That's it. Bye, guys.